Hey guys, welcome to my channel. How are you all doing? I hope you are doing well. So for today's video, I've got something just a little bit different for you guys. I've got a luxury haul, but this video is particularly exciting because I actually purchased my first ever luxury bag. By luxury, I mean spending £1,000 plus on a luxury bag. I also picked up some bits of jewelry as well from a really good brand that I've been kind of eyeing up for a long time now. I'm gonna show you that in this video as well. I'm gonna start off with jewelry first. I basically picked up some 18 karat plated gold jewelry from a brand that I've been eyeing up for a while called Missoma. They do stunning pieces of jewelry. I'm gonna start off with the first piece that I picked up from Missoma, and that is the necklace I'm wearing. I just love any sort of jewelry, especially a necklace that's got a cross on it. So I kind of knew it was a safe bet for me to kind of pick up and try first. I absolutely love this necklace. It is just like a really simple kind of, you know, small piece of jewelry, but I love the little details that's actually in the necklace as well. I just like how minimal the pieces are, some of the pieces anyway, are from Missoma. Jewelry that's just a bit more simple and minimal, I just absolutely love, but that still have just like that extra bit of detail, and I feel like this cross necklace is exactly that. I just knew it was a bit of me. Next up, I want to show you another piece, and actually it's another piece I'm wearing today, and it is these hoop earrings with like a lightning detail dangling down. This is one of the things I love about Missoma Jewellery. I think they're really simple bits of jewelry, but they've just got really cool details. I really wanted a pair of hoops, so I just wanted to pick up as well something that was just a little bit more interesting than just a plain pair of hoops. And I do just love the lightning detail. I think it just makes them look a little bit more edgy. These are a pair as well that I've been wearing quite a lot. I just really like them. Another pair of earrings I wanted to show you guys were these studs. They were basically to kind of go with this hoop earring I bought. It's in a lightning kind of shape, and this one's got half like solid gold and then half of with the cubic zirconias. Just the little bits of extra detail really just make these earrings stand out that bit more. So simple yet so beautiful, and so much detail on it. I'm just really impressed. Next up, I want to show you another pair of hoops I bought. It's these hoop earrings. These were definitely one of the pieces that really stood out to me when I kind of first went onto the website. I just love these so much. I was definitely looking for a really cool pair of gold hoops, and I kind of wanted something that was plain, but again with just that little bit of like something extra or some sort of detail on it. And I definitely feel like these completely tick all the boxes. I love these so much. It's just the detail on these, the like interlocking chain hoop detail that I absolutely love. It's just a bit of me, so something simple but just with that little bit of edginess and something different about it to it as well. I love these. All the jewelry I've picked up from Missoma, they're all sterling silver and they're plated with 18 karat gold. I'm just so impressed with the quality of all the pieces that I picked up. Next up, I've got the bag I purchased. I didn't have a bag in mind when I started shopping for a luxury bag. I kind of just went in with a fresh head. You know, I had a couple factors that I really considered before getting the bag. I definitely wanted it to be within an affordable price range, especially because it was my first bag. I also wanted a bag that would be a sort of an investment bag, so a bag that would hold its value. You know, if I ever wanted to sell it in the future, I would be able to get most, or in some cases, I know a lot of people get their full money back in a sense, depending on the condition of the bag. So I wanted something that would be an investment bag. And then thirdly, I definitely wanted something in black, just for wearability purposes, just so that I could wear it with more outfits. I definitely wanted to pick up something black. So that's all I kind of knew going into the process. Did my, you know, window shopping, and I went around to different places to kind of see what would stand out to me and what I would gravitate toward. There was a particular bag that I think every time I saw it, I just loved it, and I knew that was going to be the bag for me, and it is from Louis. So I decided to go with Louis for my first luxury purchase. Louis was the one place where I just loved a lot of the bags. So yeah, Louis is the one I went with, and if you haven't guessed already, I decided to get myself a pochette Matisse. It was definitely the bag when I was searching through the site that jumped out at me first. I love the shape of the bag. I just loved it the minute I saw it. I absolutely love a crossbody bag. So that was definitely a big factor as to why this kind of stood out to me. And when I was kind of doing my research and watching other people's bag collections, every time I saw a Pochette Métis, I just was like, that is the bag I want. Every time I felt like this was the one that ticked a majority of the boxes in terms of the size of it, and I think the wearability of it as well. Also think it's a good investment bag because it generally tends to hold its value. When I looked for it on the pre-loved market, and I noticed a lot of people were selling it for the same price and sometimes more actually. This comes in various colors and patterns and things like that, but the fact that it came in the black empreinte really gravitated towards this bag. Absolutely love it. I love all the gold details on the bag, the gold detail in the back zip here as well. Absolutely love the lock detail. When the bag first came out, this was an issue for a lot of people who had the bag, but mine opens and closes absolutely fine. That's it, closed. That's it, open. Looking in the bag, you basically get two big compartments and quite another little narrow compartment, and then inside it I've also got the cross body strap. It's got quite a lot of space in it. It's also got the back pocket here as I've showed you earlier. It's just a beautiful bag. I'm very happy I got it in the leather. I just feel like it's gonna last me a long time, and I think it's also gonna be quite a practical bag and a bag that I'm gonna get a lot of use out of. I love that it's got a top handle, so it means, you know, you can transition it to an evening bag. I know it's a bit bigger than most evening bags, but if you're someone like me who carries a lot of stuff, then this is probably fine for an evening bag too. And then of course you can put the crossbody chain on it and make it a bit more of a casual day bag. I feel you can dress it up or you could dress it down as well. Absolutely obsessed, in love, super impressed with this bag. Actually, Louis in general I feel like is such a great brand to go for your first bag. They have so many options and so many price ranges. Let me know what you guys think of this bag in the comments, and if you have a luxury bag, what was your first luxury bag purchase? I would just love to know. That's it guys for today's video. I really hope you guys enjoyed it. It was just something a little bit different for my channel, but I absolutely love watching these, you know, luxury hauls, bag collections, all that kind of stuff. So I just thought, why not film it and show you guys my first ever luxury bag purchase. I hope you guys enjoyed this and maybe found some inspiration for making your first luxury purchase. Thank you so much for watching today's video guys, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye guys.